Okay, hello everybody, welcome to the Airbus A319 flight deck. Today we invite you to fly with us to Naples in Italy. We expect an approach to runway 06, an ILS approach. It should be a real nice approach over the city. It's a little bit special because it's offset and steep, so please stay tuned and enjoy our video. Thank you, enjoy.
Direct over the Transavia 49 Tango.
Tango correct, and the continued distance flight level 130, expect 75, another miles to run.
Expecting 75 miles to run and flight level 130, so Transavia 49 Tango.
So my ILS is not yet identified, but
mine either.
Hopefully soon.
November 11 Quebec Sierra to adjust the flight heading 325.
Nice view.
Yeah.
Heading
Perfect.
325, over 111 Quebec Sierra.
Approaching.
Yeah. There's nobody underneath right now.
And Air 3 Golf Papa continues descend 8,000 feet, KNH 1015, transition 90.
Continues descend 8,000 feet, KNH 1015, Ryanair 3 Golf Papa.
November 311 Quebec Sierra climb flight level 240.
Level 240, November 111 Quebec Sierra. Radar, buongiorno, Mafia 3931.
Wings 78 Golf Hotel after Ovune, Oleva, continue to descend 4,000 feet, clear for LS Zulu 06, report established.
After Uvune, direct Oleva, descending 4,000 feet, clear for the ILS Zulu approach runway 06, Wings 78 Golf Hotel, Bruco.
3931,
Okay,
buongiorno,
so 4,000 blue
climb flight level
and
170.
Ovune Oliver.
Level 170, Mafia
And then we're
3931.
cleared for the ILS. I wait a little bit with the arming of the approach until we're coming close to center line. Perfect.
How easy, 54 Lima Romeo, radar contact clear.
So the 4,000 is below MSA, but we can accept it. We're just overhead water.
And expecting
All
ILS
good.
runway
Yep.
06.
Everything inside.
Easy 54 Lima Romeo, continue descent flight level 130.
Continue descent flight level 130, easy 54 Lima Romeo.
And R3 Golf Papa, stay back 250 knots.
250 knots, Ryanair 3 Golf Papa.
And R3 Golf Papa, speed 250 knots.
Speed 250 knots, Ryanair 3 Golf Papa.
Wings 3931, left turn direct to Polit.
Left turn direct, Polit, Mafia 3931, thank you.
Approaching.
Yeah.
And R3 Golf Papa, continue descend 7,000 feet.
Continue descend 7,000 feet, Ryanair 3 Golf Papa.
November Papa Charlie's identified.
Yep, same here, thanks.
Savia 49 Air Tango, continue descend 7,000 feet, KNH 1015, transition 90.
Descent to altitude 7,000 feet, KNH 1015, Transavia 49 Tango.
November 311 Quebec Sierra, re-clear direct to Aosta, contact room 12875, ciao.
So,
To Aosta, Alpha Oscar Sierra
get
Tango.
localizer, glide slope, blue, cat 3 dual, AP1 and 2.
Ciao.
Flaps 1.
Speed check. Flaps 1.
So after Oliver we could descend to altitude 3000.
Ryanair 3 Golf Papa, we need 20 miles, can we expect?
Lockstar.
Sorry, which the traffic is calling?
Ryanair 3 Golf Papa, we need
Oh, we
20
can
miles,
just stay
can
in
we
the
expect, please?
4000 and intercept.
And R3 Golf Papa, after Ovune, expect
Speed is,
Oleva.
Ovune Oleva, Ryanair 3 Golf Papa.
Transavia 49 Tango, after Ovune, expect Oleva for ILS Zulu 06.
Huda, Oleva, ILS Zulu, runway 06, Transavia 49 Tango, thank you.
49 Tango, 40 miles to run.
Ja, runway inside, offset as expected, huh?
Yeah.
Let's hope star, go on altitude 6000 is set.
Checked. Hearing 78 Golf Hotel, established ILS Zulu 06.
Wings 78 Golf Hotel, 10 from touchdown, number 1 tower 85, ciao.
118, decimal 5, hearing 78 Golf Hotel, ciao.
Wings
Get one.
Ciao, buongiorno, hearing 78 Golf Hotel, ILS 06 Zulu.
Wings 78 Golf Hotel, Napoli, runway 06, clear to land, wind 0506.
Clear to land, runway 06, hearing 78 Golf Hotel.
So the runway track is 055 later on, yeah, checked.
Yep.
Gear down.
Gear down. And November, Papa Charlie 73 3000.
Checked. Checked. Flaps 3.
Speed checked. Flaps 3.
Flaps full.
Speed checked. Flaps full.
VLS check.
Jo, ich warte kurz, bis es eingependelt hat.
I think I already added
119, 125.
Okay.
6 drauf.
Yeah, I already added 2, maybe I think add 4. I think that would be good.
Yeah, okay, alright.
Yeah.
So, UAV approach 130.
Thank you, and landing checklist.
ICA Memo, landing no blue.
Landing no blue. So we're clear to land.
Hey, from?
Tower Buongiorno, Swiss 172, Yankee approaching Alpha, ready for departure. Buongiorno, Swiss 172, Yankee, Napoli, Roger, stand by.
Check.
above. Minimum.
Continue.
400. 300.
Tower Buongiorno, in Africa, Papa Italia, is Zulu 0690 Amici.
2.
Entry, Bravo, Papa Napoli, continue approach. Okay, Papa Napoli, go Papa.
100.
172 Yankee, Naples, wait, runway 06.
50.
Naples, wait, runway 06, Swiss 172 Yankee.
20. Retard. Retard. Retard.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Decel.
Manual brakes.
70 knots.
Check.
Golf Hotel, right ground, 119, ciao.
Right, and ground 121.9 on Eurowings 78 Golf Hotel, ciao. Ground Bongiorno, Eurowings 78 Golf Hotel, turning to Echo.
78 Golf Hotel, good morning, taxi stand 42.
Taxi to stand 42, Eurowings 78 Golf Hotel.
So to the right.
Sleep 2613, request taxi, please. 2613,
Two is via
taxi to
Quebec,
Lima
and then on the right hand side.
Yeah.
Taxi to the Lima intersection, sleep 2613. Tower 118.5, ciao. 1852613, thanks for your help, bye bye.
It's always a nice approach.
Yeah. Interesting. But it's the combination between the downslope, the steep approach, the display threshold, and the offset approach is a little bit challenging.
Yeah, that's right. APUs available.
Single engine taxi in, start procedure.
Okay. Engine 2 off and elect pump on.
Thank you. So we can watch the next landing.
Ground, buongiorno dalla Poli 103 Bat.
Poli 103 Bat, buongiorno, avanti.
Buongiorno a voi, il Poli 103 Bat, Bravo 12, 4 a bordo, 2 ore e 10 di autonomia, stimiamo un'ora e 30 di volo, inizialmente faremo la località Monteforti Irpino e poi Avellino, e poi rientreremo.
Poli 103 Bat ricevuti, numero 06, l'H1015, numero 2 all'attesa Lima, a breve la chiamo per il rullaggio, pochi secondi di attesa.
Perfetto, allora manteniamo ancora il nostro piazzale in attesa di vostre disposizioni, ci predisponiamo per il...
We're cleared directly to the stand, so...
Grazie.
Okay,
Yeah,
then we
that's short.
continue via Quebec to Quebec 2, and then we'll take
Single Quebec and then stand
Yeah.
42.
Yeah. So we come it's a holding point to Quebec 2 in between.
Yeah.
Quebec, Africa, papa. Poli 103 Lima, può rullare per l'intersezione Lima.
Rulla per l'intersezione Lima, 103 Bat.
Poli 103 il Bat con la torre, 118.5, ciao.
Ciao, grazie.
Quebec is straight ahead.
Yeah, copied. Thank you. So here we are. Okay, there is a marsh alarm.
Turn on the brake fan for short.
Yeah. Okay, left side is clear so far.
Right side too.
Thank you. So we're just turning in. Parking brake is on. Continue procedure.
Engine 1 geht aus. Bleed ist drauf. Elect pump off. All those in park.
Maybe you can keep this on.
Alright.
Perfect. Parking checklist.
Parking, engines,
Off.
radar, predictive
Is
position
on.
system, fuel pumps,
Off.
parking brake,
Is on.
parking check is complete.
Thank you very much. How was it?
Nice. Nice approach, nice weather,
Nice views of the city.
perfect.
Yeah, really good, huh? Really
Wish
nice.
for more.
And it's a very interesting approach. Huh?
Xavier, 49 takeoff, vacating the runway.
The offset is interesting. It's only 5 degrees. It looks like that we are
Stand 14,
fine
Xavier, 49 takeoff.
now released. It looked like that we are way more off than 5 degrees.
Yeah.
But yeah, nice. Hey, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.